What if I tell you guys that you're going to make a lot of money in this 2026 with little or no capital? Yes, wait, let me give you a gist. So if you are looking for a business ideas or what business you can do in this 2026 that is going to fetch you a lot of income, but you don't have money to start with it, or you have a little money and you are thinking of a business that you can venture into that will give you a lot of profit, a lot of income, this video is for you guys. But you're going to be surprised on the number one on this business, 9 business ideas you can start in this 2026. So if you want to know the number one, stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you will see the number one I'm talking about, and that number one is going to give you a lot of income at the end of the day for you. So number 9 on my list is online coaching, guys. You guys know that I'm always going to mention this online coaching because what is so good on that online coaching is that you teach what you know. If you are good at wig making, you can start making wig at the comfort of your home with little or no capital. So you can start this wig making business. If you can do it online, maybe if you are doing it and you video it and put online, some people will contact you from there. They will pay you for you to teach them. You make a lot of cool cash from this wig making. If you are good at if you are good at braiding hairstyle, different type of hairstyle, you can also do that, and it will fetch you a lot of money. You cannot tell me that this hair business is not moving so well, because everybody is making hair every day by day. You are not going to look like a mad person or look like your problem before you will know that you are passing through something. So you have to look good. Even if now all back, you will make it. So hair tutorial is also good. If you know how to do it, you can do the online coaching. You teach people online and they will pay you. If you are monetized on your channel, they will pay before they will join your membership online. So necessary. So the number 8 on my list is laundry. That is dry cleaning business. Guys, the good thing about this dry cleaning is you can start it at the comfort of your home. All you need to do is to get all the necessary things you will be needing for this dry cleaning business. Then you do your washing, ironing, and pick up delivery. It's so simple, so good, and it gives people a lot of income. It generates people a lot of income on it. Just have to start from somewhere. If you are doing it and people get to know you well and you make a lot of money from it, you can then rent a shop and start from there. But all I know is that these few business ideas I will be giving you is a business that you can do with little or no capital. So that is it. Dry cleaning business is so good that you can start from the comfort of your home and you will do so well with it, guys. So number 7 on my list is digital service agency, digital skills agency, guys. So what you can offer on that digital skill agency, if you are good at video editing, you are good to go. If you can edit very well, people are looking for who to edit for them and they will pay you. If you are good at graphic design, you can do that also and make yourself a lot of cool cash. What is good about this is a student can do it, a stay-at-home mom can also do it. So you don't have to give yourself any excuses. You can do it at the comfort of your home. This video editing and designing of a graph, you can do it at the comfort of your home. And again, if you are good at handling social media management, you can also do that and they will pay you. What you have to do there is to post. You will help them to post their post on their page and they will pay you very well. The thing is so good. The income is so nice and so profitable. So that is the number 7 on my list, guys. So guys, the number 6 on my list is thrift business. You guys are sleeping on this thrift business. That is okrika business. Okay, so if you can do this business, if you know how to do this business so well, guys, it's going to generate a lot of massive profit for you, in which, and if you want to venture into this business, I will advise you to buy both children wears and adult own. The reason for this is this: people are buying clothes for their children every day by day, and when you want to, if you want to venture into this business and you want to sell every day by day, please, if you are buying the clothes, make sure you select a very beautiful and shining one. You know, children love all these fancy clothes, and both all the ladies, they want to slay on these beautiful and sexy dresses. So if you want to sell and do well in this thrift business, make sure you go into a very beautiful and nice clothes thrift wears. People are buying clothes every day by day, and this, what is so good about thrift business is that you make the clothes is not even like what you buy, is not the money you used to buy it is not even that much. You can start with 10,000 naira, you buy a little by little, then from there you make a lot of income, then you can start buying big. That is it. So thrift business is so good also. You can start that at the comfort of your home, then you can just do sample outside, tell your neighbor that you are doing this kind of business, so they should patronize you. You will sell very well. Thrift business is so good, and the income is so massive, guys. So that is it. Number 5 on my list is content creating. Yes. You guys know that there is no one, I'm not going to mention this content creating. What I'm doing here, I'm doing content. So there is no way content creating is not going to be among the business I'm talking about. So when you are creating content, if your channel finally get monetized, you can start making your own money from there. And if you are looking at what social media, you can start your content. You can start content. Stop now. You can start your content on Facebook or TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, just depending on the one you want to start from that time. Or even if you want to start on all of them, that is left for you. The advice is left for you. You just have to pick one from it or all of them and start posting your content, your original content from it. And when you are monetized, you earn money from your ADS. As I said earlier, you earn money from your ADS, your affiliate marketing and brand deals. It's so good. It's good that you start that your content today. Start that business today. Stop saying I will start today, I will start tomorrow, and still yet this year will still go without you doing any business at all. And it will be good for you to make your own money than to be begging people every day by day. And if they do not give you, you will start blaming them as if you give them any money to keep for you. So guys, start that business you want to do since. Start it today. You are going to love it at the end of the day. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe. If what I'm giving you is so helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and tell me the one you want me to, the video you want me to drop for you again on business ideas, content creating tips, and many more. So we are on number 5, that is content creating. So number 4 on my list is food business. People are sleeping on this business. Food business, you can make a lot of income from this food business. If you are good at on cooking, if you can make a very delicious and sumptuous meals, you can do this food business. You can start from your home. Then if you get enough money, you can open your own shop and start doing the business. But all I know is that you can start this business at the comfort of your home. You do home delivery. You can do under that food business. You can do home delivery. You can do smoothie. You can do small chops. You can also do shawarma. Just have to know how to do it perfectly well. If you are good at it, I will advise you to start food business, guys, because it's going to fetch you a lot of income at the end of the day, guys. So that is the number 4 on my list. So guys, the number 3 on my list is hair and beauty business. You guys know that girls of nowadays, they want to look good. Everybody wants to look good, both even girls, even married women. Everybody needs to look good, so you don't have to look like your problem. So if you can venture into this, if you venture into this hair and beauty business, you are going to make a lot of sales, a lot of massive profit from it. So what is good about it? You can do under that hair and beauty business. You can do wig making and sell. You can also do nail tech, that is fixing of nails and many things. You can also do makeup. If you are good at that, you can combine these 3 things I have mentioned: wig making, nail tech, and makeup. If you know how to do all these things perfectly well and sparkling, guys, you will get a lot of customer, because when you do for somebody and they love what you give them, they will refer another person to you. They will be giving you a lot of customer from there, when you know exactly how to do your thing perfectly well and beautiful. Guys, you are good to go. You can make a lot of cool cash from this hair and beauty business, guys. So that is it. The number 2 on my list is POS business. So you can start this business with little money or no capital at all. So you do this POS business, withdraw, transfer, and bill paying with this POS business. All you have to do is if you want to start this business, you can do it at a busy area, so that people will know you. If you start this business at a place that is lonely, you are not going to make any money from there. So you do it at a place that people are busy, they are passing every day by day. There are a lot of people in there. What you need is a popular place to start this business. And also your neighbor can, if they want to transfer or withdraw money, they can come into your house and do the thing, just depending on the kind of neighbor you have. That is it. So the oga of them, that is number 1 we have been waiting for, guys. You guys will say that is it this thing? But if you can do this business so well, you will make a lot of times 2 of what you are doing before on this number 1. You make a lot of profit on it. So the number 1 on my list is mini importation business, guys. That is, if you can buy goods from, if you want to do this business, I will tell you to buy your products from, let me say, AliExpress, Alibaba, or Temu app, or even Shein. You guys know that they are selling beautiful things at a low price. You can get something of 700 there. You can even get something of 1,000 naira, just depending on the kind of things you want to buy there from that place. And if you want to do this kind of business and you want to make a lot of sales on it, I will tell you to buy like gadgets. That is what people are searching for, what people are buying every. So guys, that is you can purchase a gadget. You can also buy wig. You can also buy beauty tools. That is what ladies are purchasing every day by day on it. You can venture into clothes, gadgets, wig, and beauty tools if you want to make a lot of sales every day by day. So this is what you can buy from there, and you will sell your market so well and make a lot of profit from it, guys. So if this video that I drop for you is so helpful for you, please do well to subscribe on my channel. Give this video a like, comment, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime we post a new video. If there is something you want me to post, you can put it down in the comment section. I will get back to you in a GV. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.